guys. They call me Warrior Arts or Rage, and I'm getting into Roblox to just do some fun. So I don't know what to do. Okay, it's going in. I can't wait. Can't wait to get in here. I might be texting in the game. I'm going to play Yellowstone. And yeah, so it is a wolf game that I've been playing for a little bit. Okay, let's go in. And my sister's watching her YouTube channel on TV. I can't do nothing. Wow, the pups have grown. I'm going to be playing as a female because I am, and I'm going to be playing as the adult. No. Oh. Well, I'm going to hit role play, and I'm going to hit a brow. Like a very, okay. Name. Fur. Pelt. Female. Make. Pups. Play. I am a Disney owner, and I'm back. So many rules. Okay, this is fun, and I'm lagging like always. I always gotta be lagging in the game, so they call the Laginator. Normally, if I do this, oh, there's so many pups whining. So many deer whining too. Get in the water. There's the elk. Elk, come to mama. You're my food. And I run a lot faster now since I'm lagging. Well, maybe you guys do. I'm lagging. I am lagging. I am lagging. Look, there's a wolf trying to get to this elk right here. Males could be... Yeah, that's why. You can die. Yep, I died too. You're welcome. I saved you too. We respawn together. See, I saved you. I saved you. I saved your life. I have saved it. Oh, there's a pup and a baby. At Twin Lakes, there's lots of elk everywhere. Here we are. Okay, so we found the Twin Lakes. I'm at it. I'm just sleeping. I'll come back to you guys once it's done. Okay, it's been too long. I'm just gonna get up my fat lazy butt. It has been too long. Too long, and morning hasn't come one bit. So I thought we can just mess around when night comes. I've been hearing these wolves, and the more I hear them, the more I want to howl. So I want to howl with you guys. Ears up. There's an elk, by the way. A nice howl. Oh, and morning came. Who knew you had a howl for morning? And I'm getting a little hungry. So, let's do. Oh. I hope you realize that you've been hypnotized. You were an awesome guy, now you're this life. Does any of you guys know Survive the Night? Because I will play it. I just gotta get off this game and hit Survive the Night. Oh, I take it away to where we enchanted play. Yeah, no, I'm gonna wait for morning. Night's vision time. Brighten things up a little. But I can see. My rock. When the sun comes more out, we'll leave. That's the sun, and that's what the moon's gone. So if I take off night vision, yeah, it's still a little dark. So we're gonna try to find some rabbits, because I hear some. Okay, night. I mean morning has come. And I think it's gonna rain. Jump! Oh! We've been so close. Let's find some elk. Or some rabbits. Who knew? Who knows what we'll find? Elk! I need you. I hear wolves over here, but I don't want to go to a pack, because then they're going to tear me a bit by bit, and I don't want that to happen. Where is the... Where's the food? My tushy's too big.
My tushy's too church. Nope.
Oh, there's a little pup. Okay, it's gonna be hard to get to it because this stupid water wants to pull me back. Who knew water can go two directions, one faster, one slower? You guys gotta fix that when I post this video out. This is gonna be retired. Yep, I'm tired. To the pup. Where is the food? Finally, now you come out. There's rabbits. So many. I'm hungry. Can I kill you? I'm lagging. Hold on.